Aw, someone wants some food, doesn't she? You want some food, don't you? Yeah, you definitely want food. That's why you're being affectionate. Someone wants some food.
As you all know, there is nothing more real than the summer slowdown on the gig work, DoorDash, Uber, and Grubhub platforms. Today, we will find out, can I finally make,
serious?
First time the entire summer, that magical $350 mark? Let's find out.
Well, I got them both loaded up in the bag. And, you know, do appreciate you guys clicking on the video and watching it. I do want to say that part. I do appreciate the watchers. And let's get to these two drop-offs on this one. As guys point out too, it's not foggy out. It may look foggy on camera, and trust me, it looks foggy in person. It's actually not fog. It is Friday, July 18th, I think. And all the Canadian wildfire smoke is pouring into my area here, so I probably need my N95 out today, breathing in all this smoky air. But let's get to these drops. Let's roll. Alright, so we just took the trash out for Uber Eats on the first two orders of the day. Two orders for $15, $7 an order, well, $7.50, whatever. You know, didn't seem like my little raining money effect and the Michael Myers horror film music I used in my last video performed all that well, at least according to YouTube's analytics. So I decided I'm gonna do it again. So let's do it again. Nah, I'm just kidding.
Stop it.
I'm not gonna do it
Get
again.
some help.
I'm not. Okay, yeah, actually, yeah, I'm gonna do it again. Let's rain that money and let's put that Michael Myers music on. Let's do it. It performed horribly, and I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna leave it on probably for the whole video too, a little bit of Michael Myers. And I don't give up. Alright, we're scatterlining up to this next drop off. A little smoky out here.
Hey, you wanted this, right? You wanted the real deal? That's what this is. Wake up, you're in the middle of it. You want to run? Go ahead. No one's stopping you.
Hey, you have a good one, man.
Stop complaining.
Appreciate it. Alright, we got that one dropped off. Totals on the screen. Bringing the rain effect of the cash and bringing the Michael Myers music. You can go, buddy. Come on. Rain it down. We already got our next one lined up, by the way, as Uber continues to send me trash. Get out of here, Uber. I ain't taking that trash. We're on our way to Chipotle for good old Grubhub. Starting to get some very nice smoke inhalation at this point. Hopefully I'm not out of here killing myself.
Stop complaining!
Breathing in all this smoke. But, you know what? Let's do one of my favorite effects. Let's snap over to Chipotle. Alright, all. Here it comes. Here comes the rear end. We're doing it right now. Nah, I'm just kidding. We ain't doing it.
Stop it. Get some help.
Made you think I was now, didn't I? See, you at the Grubhub?
I am.
You at the Grubhub?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I was kind of surprised to see you on a bike, that's all.
Yeah, saves me a ton on gas, man, I'll tell you.
There.
There you go, man.
Thank you so much.
No problem. You have a good one. Alright, welcome back, guys. So we got a triple order here. We got 3 motherfucking orders right now. We got 2 Uber Eats and we got a DoorDash.
Stop it.
We got some
Get some help.
Panera. We got some Five Guys burgers and fries, and we got, I believe the last one's Juniper Grill. So we got a little bit of a triple dirty stack. So first we're gonna pull up to Panera up here.
Eventually.
All right, well that took a while to get that one picked up. Oh boy. But let's snap our fingers. Let's go over to Five Guys. Let's get into Five Guys. All right, let's snap over. We gotta get this third one and get to Chipotle. Let's snap over there now. All right, and just like that, we're in Chipotle. Well, we're not in Chipotle, but I'm about to be in motherfucking Chipotle. I got a rush. I already got two. I got one more. I got a milkshake. I got a sprint there. I gotta grab this triple stack. All right, just like that, we got this triple dirty stack all loaded up. Let's fast track these drop-offs. Let's get this shit dropped off. Let's put over a little bit of Michael Myers music. I know how much love some good old Michael Myers music, so let's get these drop-offs done. Michael Myers music coming your way right now. Gotta save on that gas somehow, you know. But I don't know if the app tells you. I had another order. I seen your message. I don't know if they tell you in the app or not. I had another drop off up that. I had a DoorDash with me too. So I had that. I had a DoorDash, and then I had yours. So they made me drop the Uber off. Then the DoorDash was right by that one, and then I came on and dropped this one off. So that's. Yeah. Hey, you gotta make as much as you can on these, you know. Take as many. Say, hey, you have a good one, man. All right, and just like that, that's how you right there, that's how you complete a dirty stack like a pro. I said it earlier in the video, there ain't nobody better than me. I'm the best at dirty stacking. I'm the best at dirty stacking, and I'm the best at multi-apping, and there's no one in the business better than me at doing this. Let's see what else we get on today. Let's you know what, we're just gonna cut into the next pickup. Let's just get into it. Thank you. Have a good one. Sweet. What a great day. The order was even done. Let's go. Let's go, baby. We're making that money today. We're making that motherfucking money today. Let's get that money. Let's get that motherfucking money. I got all this pizza on my back, trying to get and make this motherfucking money. Alright, just like that. Time to drop off this Papa John's. On to the next one. On to the next one. Alright, next pick up Five Guys burgers and fries. See if it's done. Double order here, as you guys can see now on the screen. We got a double motherfucking order here. Then we're gonna go back over to Benny. Mini chopsticks. Alls. Seems like there's some people here waiting. All right, we got both these loaded up. Let's swipe over to the drop off. All right, and snap, crack, pop. We at the Super 8. We drop it off from Miles with Benny Chopsticks. And we gotta race over to this next drop off. Ordered food, and he puts in the notes that he's sleeping. Are you kidding me? You're gonna order food and then go to sleep and make me have to stand at your door. Unreal. How's it going? There you go.
Get in there.
There you go.
Wasn't it a double?
A what?
A double dash?
Yeah, I had another order for another customer. Why?
Get in there.
Did you get a second order? Oh. Did you get a second order?
Yes, I did.
They must have sent that to another driver. What was your other one?
Oh yeah, it was a double dash.
Yeah, it was the other one. They must have sent it to somebody else. Hey, you have a good one.
You too.
Thank you. What's up, buddy? Not really any. No problem. You have a good one. All right, going into the bees. Got bees. I'm gonna do a little bit. I love doing this little bit track. Come on. That's what we do. That was right. Yeah. It ain't done. Man, this smoke all day. Just, ugh. Probably so bad to be breathing this crap in all day like I've been breathing it in. But I've been breathing it in all motherfucking day. Why is this phone not charging? This phone is literally not charging. I don't know why. Steve. Where's that music coming from? Steve. Alright, thank you, man. You too. I'm gonna have to hit the crosswalk button. Gonna have to hit the crosswalk button, probably. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. There's no cars behind me. To go hit the crosswalk button. Please give me a green light. Hopefully it gives me a light. If not, I'm just gonna have to time in here. Yeah, it gave them a light. I don't know if it's gonna give me one. It may not.
Eventually.
Cars behind me now. That is so annoying. guessing it's up there. Right there, 202. Okay. Alright, we're gonna f around and find out, as they say. I don't go to this McDonald's often, but we're gonna f around and we're gonna find out, and I'm gonna go to this McDonald's. It is taking me back. It is like a return trip order, so let's do it. Let's go to crappy freaking the Meadowlands McDonald's. I hate this McDonald's, but we're gonna go here. Where they got bored. Man, they must have some short ass attention spans. Holy short attention spans. Not even 60 seconds. Bro, when I watch YouTube videos, I mean, shit, my attention span it is amazing. Some people just have the shortest attention spans. They can, like, watch something for 10 seconds and they're fucking out and they're bored. Bro, how will you get bored in 10 seconds? Like, that's not even a sample size, 10 seconds. Alright, we're at McDonald's, though. Would you look at that? It is done. Holy crap. Let's go deliver to Noah. I need some water. T-minus 3, 2, 1, green. Alright, we're about to be dropping off this Macca's. Need a drink. Not a water. Let's go down my favorite closed road. Closed the cars, not closed the bikes. Oh no, I hit my bag on the side of it. Hey, somebody move that. Ah, the advantage of the bike. You can just go down any road you want. Doesn't make any difference.
Hi, who are you picking up for?
Tanner and also Ed.
You can pull her.
Thank you. Tanner and Ed. It's dark as shit. Hey, they have the lights on at least. Yeah, it is a drink.
Sorry.
What was that? Moth or something?
I don't want it near me. It can do its own thing. Just stay away from me.
See, I don't mind those things. I don't like spiders. That's what I don't like. I don't like spiders, man. Spiders freak me out.
Leave me alone and do its own thing.
Yeah.
Sorry, I did not mean to scream right in your ear.
Oh, I have a helmet on. It didn't pick it up that good anyways, you know? Alrighty.
Have a good night.
You too. I'll see you. Thank you. Alright. There's that chick earlier. Alright.
Thank you.
might be done. They're usually pretty fast. Oh, they look pretty busy actually. No, they look busy. I don't like that part. I do not want to lose this Uber order. Hey, there's another one right there. There's his buddy. There's him and there's his buddies right in front of him, in an unmarked. Nice. Yeah, football. Oh, no drinks too. That's my favorite. I hate. Hey, you have a good one. Get out of there. Thank you. You too. Breathe, but I'm coming with your food, buddy. Dude, it's definitely getting worse. Like the smoke is getting. You too, thank you. Oh, that's nice. Elevator, I can smell it as plain as day. Alright, we're going to McDonald's. Last pickup of the video. $10, 4 miles. It's a good one. Last one. Last one. I am dead tired. I said it before. YouTube is no longer promoting my channel, and it just is what it is.
Stop complaining.
Hi, do you have a DoorDash?
Yeah, for Alex G.
For who?
Alex G.
Alex. Alright, go and put on the second window.
Thank you.
You said for Alex, right?
Yeah, Alex.
Have a great night.
You too, thank you. See if I can get the totals here. I want to know what the totals are at this point. They got to be pretty close. Oh, man. Your best score here. Maybe. 161 into plus 156.90 plus 156.90 plus 32.89. Hey, a new high score on deliveries with Jay. I beat my high score, guys. My best day was, well, it was $349 and some change. My new benchmark on motorcycle deliveries, $351.51. A new high score. Oh, yeah, that gave me a little bit of energy. 351.51. Personal best I've ever pulled off on the bike. And you guys seen it live. Personal best. Alright, guys. And that's how you make $350 DoorDashing on your motorcycle. Your totals are on screen. Good shift. Good day. I don't know, I guess that's really all there is to say. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Later.